Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Guyton and Hall physiology effectively. First, familiarize yourself with the book's structure, which contains over 80 chapters across 15 units. Prioritize understanding the fundamental principles before moving to intricate specifics. Use the learning objectives at the start of each chapter to direct your focus. Dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours per chapter for thorough comprehension, ensuring you grasp the foundational knowledge. Active reading is crucial for retaining complex physiological information. Highlight only the most important points, perhaps 1 or 2 sentences per paragraph, to avoid over-highlighting. After reading a section, summarize it in your own words, either mentally or in a notebook. Visual aids like diagrams for blood flow or nerve pathways can significantly enhance understanding. Always attempt the chapter review questions to test your immediate recall. To truly retain the vast amount of information in Guyton and Hall, consistent reinforcement is key. Schedule regular review sessions for older chapters, perhaps once every 3 days, to keep the material fresh. Explaining concepts aloud helps solidify your understanding and identify gaps. Flashcards are excellent for mastering specific terms, like hormone names or receptor types. Always try to link new concepts to what you already know, building a robust mental framework. Applying your knowledge is the ultimate test of understanding. Work through clinical case studies to see how physiological principles manifest in real-world scenarios. This book often includes clinical correlations, which are invaluable. Connect concepts across different body systems, for example, how the renal and cardiovascular systems interact. Regularly assess your understanding, pinpointing areas needing more attention. Consistent, disciplined study, even for 30 minutes daily, leads to lasting mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.